and welcome to this answer explanation video. In this video I'm going to cover the Year 5 Improper Fractions to Mixed Numbers worksheet. I'll go through each of the questions, showing how to calculate the answers and cover some of the things you may have found tricky. Question 1. Match the improper fraction to its visual representation and then its mixed number. We've got 4 improper fractions on the left, 4 visual representations in the middle, and then 4 mixed numbers on the right. And what we have to do is match each improper fraction to its equivalent image and the equivalent mixed number. So the first one is 27/8. We could count each individual segment for each image to work out which one 27/8 matches with, or we can use what we know about multiplication. If I did 8 into 27, I'd get 3, because 3 times 8 is 24. So I'm looking at the images that have got 3 holes, so it's either this top one or this bottom one. So if I count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 27/8 matches up with this image. So I now know that 27/8 is also equivalent to 3 and 3/8. So 3 and 3/8 is down here. So we match those 3 up like that. 18/8, I know that 8 times 2 is 16. So we're looking at one of the images that has 2 holes. And then we've got 2 left over, 16, 17, 18. So it can't be this one. I think it's going to be this one, but I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this image and this fraction match up. So now I know that 18/8 is equivalent to 2 and 2/8. So I can match that with that mixed number. 25/8, again, because I know that 24 is 8 times 3, so that's 3 holes. We're looking at this image. But just to double check, I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and then 1 is 25. So that it matches to that. And now we know that 25/8 is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, and 1/8. 3 and 1/8 is up here, like that. And finally, 19/8. We know that there's only one left. 19/8 must be equivalent to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19/8 matches to this image, and this image matches with 2 and 3/8. Question 2. Convert the improper fractions to mixed numbers and sort them into the Carroll diagram. This is our Carroll diagram. We use these for sorting out information that has 2 or more criteria. And these are our improper fractions. So if we were to convert 22/7 into a mixed number, I know that 7 goes into 22 3 times, because 3 times 7 is 21, and that leaves 1 7 remaining. I know that 18/8 is equivalent to 2 and 2/8, because 18 times 2 is 16. So that gives us our 2, and then there's 2 parts remaining. 10/4 as a mixed number, I know is 2, with 2 quarters remaining, because 2 times 4 is 8, and then that leaves us with 2 parts remaining. And then 13/5 gives us 2, because 5 times 2 is 10, with 3/5 remaining. So now we need to sort them into our Carroll diagram. 3 and 1/7 has a numerator that is odd and a whole number that is greater than 2. So 3 and 1/7 goes in this box. 2 and 2/8 I know has an even numerator and its whole number is equal to 2. So it goes in there. 2 and 2/4 has a whole number that is equal to 2 and the numerator is even. So it goes in here. And finally, 2 and 3/5 has a numerator that is odd and a whole number that is equal to 2. So it goes in here. Question 3. Identify the odd one out. Explain your answer. Then we've got an improper fraction, a mixed number, and on the sheet is an image of a fraction. So the step is improper fractions to mixed numbers. So the first thing we need to do is convert 19/8 into a mixed number. I know that 8 times 2 is going to give me 16, so that means I get 2 wholes. And then if I count what's left over, 16, 17, 18, 19, that gives me 3 8s. So 8 is also equal to 2 and 3/8. We don't need to do anything with B because it's already a mixed number. We can just leave it as it is. C then, we can see that there are 2 complete bars. So they're 2 wholes. And then there are 3 out of 8 coloured in blue as well. So that means that A and C are the same. And B is the odd one out because B is the only one that represents 2 and 2/8. The others represent 2 and 3/8. That was an answer explanation video from Classroom Secrets on improper fractions to mixed numbers. If you would like to watch the video tutorial that accompanies this step, please visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. And if you would like any more resources on this step, please visit classroomsecrets.co.uk. Thank you for watching.